At Seawolf Park, this is the first fish. He's with crawfish. Just bring them in, bro. Bring them in. This is with crawfish now. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Hold on. Just put it wrong one more time. Hey, if you want to bring him over here, it's easier to catch. Fucking hell. Hey, bring him over here. Yeah. I got it. Yeah? There you go. Bring that bad boy in there.
Oh.
How many pounds? No, I think it's over. 30 pounds.
Dang it.
Set him down.
Here,
Picture.
let me see the stripes on it, or whatever it has.
Yeah.
Turn around.
Hey, you like that, Dad? Telling you, this place is good. Bueno, hay que medirlo. I think it's over 52. Here, you want your picture? Yeah, let's put it in a picture now, Dad.
Any last words?
Oh, yeah.